Hi. Yep, Saion. Yeah, hi. Yep. Yeah, so the most challenging thing for me was to find much more time for my project because simultaneously a lot of things are going, right? So it's, as you can see, it's summertime and it's holiday time right now, and simultaneously with keeping up with all the projects is quite difficult, making the project and also enjoying with the family. So that was the most challenging thing, to keep up with the project building and also spending time with the family. Mm, no, I'm actually in eighth, but I'm a teenager. Yeah, so basically our school will go on till 2 o'clock. I'll come. I'll work from 3 to 8, and then I'll go back to my studies and work on the projects also. Share my screen. Okay. So should I just share the Google Chrome only? Okay. Yep. So here. Yep. Okay. So 3 is less than 2. Over here it will be false. So basically we are doing console.log 3 is less than 2 is less than 1. So that's not true. It should be greater, right? So because 1 is greater than 3 is 1 is less than uh, 2, right? But we are saying that 2 is less than 1 over here. So that's why. And we are saying 3 is less than 2, though 2 is less than 3. But this statement is commented over here, so that's why it will show nothing right now. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. False is 0. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. Oh, I did open the previous. Shucks. Yeah, this is good. Oh, it's just loading. Yep. Should I just close the previous one? It's taking some time to load, though I have connected to my hotspot. I'll just go back to my normal Wi-Fi. Should I try that? Sorry for the inconvenience, but I don't know what's happening right now. Yeah, it's started. Yeah. 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 So response. Alright, so add data to, and then we are just string. Okay. So what we'll do instead of so what we'll do, I'll just response 1 data 1 response to data 2. Okay, so I'll just take this out. This need not be nested. And response 3 data 3, and then after, okay, so I mean yeah. 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 Okay, so I'll just remove this. So what we're doing, we're getting data, and then we're doing response 1 equals data 1, promise 2, dot then we get data 2, response 2 equals data 2, and then promise 3, dot then we get data 3, response 3 equals data 3, and we're doing something, response 1, response 2, response 3. Okay, so what we need to do, we basically just need these 3 datas, and then we need to pass it to do something, right? So do something will use these 3 datas, right? So promise 1 dot then when we get data 1, response 1 is equal to data 1. So basically over here, response 1, response 2, response 1, data 1. Yeah. Yep. it will work, but I've not worked with promises that much. That's why I use callbacks more often. Yeah, that's why. Yeah. Okay. So you're just asking for if we call x, then what should be the output, right? Yeah. So function x for a variable I equals 0, I less than 3, I plus plus, setting a time, set timeout, and after 1000 seconds you have to call this. Okay. So console.log I. Okay. So first it will do this. So 0, 1, 2, I less than 3. Right. So till I is less than 3. So first it will so what it should do, it should like first after 1000 after 1 second it should basically call show first so set time of that. So in it will show you 2 2 and 2. Yeah. 3 3 and 3, sorry. Yeah, so 3 3 and 3. Yeah. What? Yep. So we'll just do console. Okay, okay. So with the set timeout, uh, oh, yep, okay. Set timeout console.log I, and uh, when it's 1, we don't need to. Okay, so after 1000 milliseconds, so we basically need it to uh wait over here for like 1000 milliseconds. Because yeah, okay, so because basically the set timeout will take asynchronously take 1 second, and then till then the loop will end and i's value in the end will be 3, and when it executes the 3 set timeouts, it will take the current i's value that will be 3, so it will log out 3, and then the second set timeout will log out 3, the third set timeout will log out 3. Yep. So uh um let's just see. Yeah, yeah, because yeah, it has like that loop scope, whatever you call that. Yeah, var only has function scope and let also has loop scope, so that's why. uh, I'll- uh um I'm just asking, are we talking about closures over here? Yeah, yeah. So um, okay, so if I just make some changes to the code, will that be fine? So we'll have to return a function over here, right? Have to return a function. Yeah. So over here, I have to make a self-invoking function, I think. So we have to make a self-invoking function, I think, and that will be like something like, for example, y equals something this, and we'll have to return a function, right? That will have the value of I. How how basically that. Yeah, yeah, okay. So yeah, yeah, so just a normal function inside the for loop basically. Like we can, yeah, y function, and that will have the parameter j, and I'll just take this inside. Okay, done, right. So yep. So now we'll just log out j. Yeah, yeah. So we'll just call y and pass it I. Yep, yep. It worked. Yeah. Okay. So console.log an empty array plus an empty array. An empty array is false. That's 0 plus 0. Uh, I think it is. It will give us 0 over here. No, I basically an empty array leads us to false, right? Yeah. 5. Yeah. Plus. Okay. Yeah. 75. Yeah, so basically it will be 5 plus 75. It will be 80. But I thought maybe I've learned wrong, because whenever it is string first and then we give a number, then it basically concatenates. And whenever we have like a number first and then a string with a number, then I think it adds. I've learned that, I think. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Let array this flatten array dot flat, write a polyfill for flat method. So a polyfill, like I should write a method instead of using the flat method. Okay, okay. So what is the flat? method doing over here. We have an array, right? It's just like opening all the arrays inside the array, but not the inside, more inside arrays. Okay, so what we'll have, I'll just name the function f over here, right? And I'll just take in the array, and this will okay, okay. So depth, okay, and over here what we'll do, we'll loop, so for, and we'll loop, uh, there will be a nested loop over here. So for variable I is equals to depth, I think, no, for variable I equals 0, I is less than depth, so we need to loop depth times I plus plus, right? And then we'll have for variable j is equals to 0, j is less than array dot length and j plus plus, right? And over here we'll just do if uh if j no array j, an instance of do we use it like this, instance of array? So if it is an instance of so I'm not sure, do we do it like this only? Yeah, okay. So if we can just do if array dot is array, and we'll just do array j. So array dot is array j, right? So then if this is true, then we'll just need to open the array. So then we'll also loop in that array and open it. Okay. So for okay, so for variable z equals 0, z is less than array j dot length z plus plus, right? And over here what we'll do, okay, so first in the we'll take the element, so for every element we'll just do over here array, so the flatten array, okay, so it should be in order, right? So um, uh, okay, so we need to add the element. So what was the method? Was it push is to add it in the end? So what we'll do, we'll first do I'll first delete no, that will be in the end. So in the end after the loop, but over here in our array, and we there was a method to add an element on a specific position. What's that element? Oh, sorry, method. Array dot, not push was for adding in the end. Oh, that, what do we call that? Dot syntax, right? So we can use this dot syntax, whatever we call that. So we can just open the array, right? So over there, we'll just So what we'll do over here, we'll just like open the array. So we'll just do array and j. So the jth element is over here equals to j. So basically so am I doing this correct over here? So basically this like what this does, for example, we have an array like 1 2 3, right? So this will just give us 1 comma 2 comma 3 like this. So basically it will give us 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 5 over here. 4 comma. Yeah. So I just have a question over here. So how do we add elements on a specific position index? I forgot the method. So for example, over here, if we open this over here, so we just need to add over here 1 comma 2 comma 3 and then just delete this over here. Yeah. Yeah, I could have used recursion over here. So function calling inside a function. Yeah. 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 Recursion. Yep. So when I read about recursion, I could not find the use of it, but now I'm finding the use of recursion over here. Yeah. Yeah. Not yet. No, it's just that if I don't, I'm just getting to learn out of this over here right now. Yeah, so if I don't get anything, I'm getting to learn. Yeah. So, no, but I just learned one thing new, that that let thing was quite interesting. That var and let. Yeah. 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 I also have a YouTube channel where I teach how to code. So JavaScript. Yeah. Thanks. Thank you. Thank you.